Okay, to complete the square here, first we're going to get the coefficient here to be 1, so we divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. We get x squared minus 2x equals 1/3. Now we need to get this to equal a perfect square, so we take half of -2, that's -1. Square it, that's +1. -1 times -1, so that's what we add to both sides. We're going to add 1 here and add 1 here. When you add 1 to 1/3, that's 3/3 here, so that's 4/3. So then this we're going to make into a factor into a perfect square. So it's x minus 1 times x minus 1, or x minus 1 squared equals 4/3. And you take the square root of both sides. You get x minus 1 is either equal to the negative version of the square root of 4/3 or the positive version. You add 1 to both sides, and you get that x is equal to the negative square root of 4/3 plus 1, or just the regular square root of 4/3 plus 1. And if you want to simplify even further, we can remember that if you take the square root of a whole fraction, you can take the square root of either side separately. So you can take the square root of 4, which is just 2, and you just have to make sure to keep the square root on the 3. For part B, it's the same thing. We're just going to divide everything by 2 here, and you get x squared plus 4x, and then minus 8.5, which then I added to the other side. You know, you're going to do the exact same thing.